Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Thursday, March 12th. Forexfactory.com news. What do we got going on? 8:30 this morning, we had unemployment claims, which came in slightly better than expected. 213 versus 214. That was a red item. Building permits came in less than expected. That's not good. 1.38 million versus 1.42 million. The goods trades balance came in at, I guess, expected. Housing starts were slightly better than expected, 1.49 million versus 1.34 expected. So that's actually a good thing. And the trade balance was actually better than expected. So we got a couple of good things going on. So housing starts is good. That means permits were already done back when. So it's sort of playing catch up. So this may be good and bad, but good is that they're started. Bad is that the pipeline is less than expected, that 1.38 million from the building permits. That being said, it's really not a bad news day for the market. 10:30, we have natural gas storage. 11 a.m., we have FOMC member Bowman speaking. At 1:01, we have the 30-year bond auction, and that is it for the day. So a relatively light day, and the news was benign, very benign. So moving on. Looking at the daily chart here, you can see that we are possibly on our third day down. We're gapping down. Yesterday we had below average volume and not a huge down day, but a down day. So this could be our third down day in a row. Remember, the market loves 3s, 5s, 7s, and 12s. So this very probable this could be a down day today. Notice that it came right down to approximately the 200 moving day average for the low overnight. Where could we go if we break the 200-day moving average? I think this low is back on the table, 65.85. And high side, I would say, is the high from Tuesday, actually, 68.51. Sort of the bigger picture. We're below two of the moving average, the several trend lines. We are still technically above the 200-day, so we are technically in a long-term bull market. So medium term, sideways. Short term, definitely down. Moving on. Inventory. We had down price action. We had up inventory, but not by much, only about 1,600 contracts. So we have some divergence here. It's a little bit something to be worried about. The market's not behaving as it should. When we have down price action, we should have down inventory. So when that does not correlate, it does make us think a little bit. What's going on? Who's playing? The answer is it's only 1,600 contracts, so it's not a major deal one way or another. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 63 points. Again, 63 points, as we've been talking about all week, is less than we've been averaging. I mean, less than the last couple days, or we've had it in the hundreds. So maybe overnight volatility is coming down somewhat. Volatility in the market overall maybe dropping, at least from an overnight perspective. Where do we have support and resistance? So we have resistance above 67.66, 67.80, 67.92, 6,800. Of course, the whole number. Above that, we can get really, there's some confluence areas around 68.23. Support. There's some support right around the overnight low, 67.05. 6,700, obviously the big round number, but then it gets kind of ugly. 66.80, 66.50. Definitely gaps underneath. Not a lot of support, at least not tiered in below. So be aware of that. If we get below 6,700, it could be a whoosh to the downside. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 57.1. 57.1% chance the market will be up today. That's all I've got for you. I hope you have a great day. Happy Thursday. And remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.